Yeah, the manufacturing show of 2026 was fairly great. It drew a good audience from policymakers into entrepreneurs, innovators, and business leaders. So it was a good roundup of audience, and it was a good experience for the discussion of manufacturing in South Africa. So South Africa has already embraced the need to have smarter ways of manufacturing. That smarter way obviously looks in terms of how do we create a South Africa-friendly decarbonization strategy and a South Africa-friendly digitization strategy to anchor manufacturing. So we believe that the smart policy will be driven by a South Africa-friendly decarbonization, digitization and diversification strategy. But the most important thing that I think we want to take away from this session is the fact that South Africa remains a very strategic platform for manufacturing for Africa. So we need to make sure that we reindustrialize South Africa and position it as the most viable platform to unlock manufacturing throughout Africa.